Dear President Cotel, cher Thierry, honorable members of the European Parliament and European institutions, as well as representatives of the various regions of Europe, distinguished members of NEREUS. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for the opportunity to address the NEREUS General Assembly today. It's a great honor for me to serve as patron of this year's General Assembly. I would also like to thank the European Committee of the Regions for hosting this important meeting. Unfortunately, due to travel disruptions, I cannot be with you in person today. I very much regret this. Nevertheless, I am pleased to join you through this video message and to express Bavaria's strong support for NEREUS and its important work. The discussions today take place at an important moment for Europe's space ambitions. Space technologies play a key role for European sovereignty, resilience and competitiveness. At the same time, our societies and economies face major challenges, from climate change and security concerns to funding and competition. Earth observation is one of the most powerful tools to address these challenges. Satellite data helps us to understand our planet better and take informed decisions. We already see its value in practice. During the severe flooding in southern Germany in 2024, satellite-based information supported emergency services with up-to-date flood maps and situational awareness. This helped first responders and other public services to act quickly, coordinate their efforts and bring help to the people who needed it most. Bavaria is proud to be one of Europe's leading regions in the space sector with a strong focus on Earth observation and has supported this field consistently for many years. Our ecosystem brings together startups, small and medium-sized companies, research institutions and established industry. They develop applications that turn satellite data into practical solutions. One example is the EU4CHEM project, the Earth Observation Laboratory for Climate Adaptation and Mitigation, a collaboration between the German Aerospace Center and Julius-Maximilians University, Würzburg. It uses satellite data to detect environmental changes early and to support decision makers with reliable information. At the same time, Europe must ensure that its innovative companies can grow in our own ecosystem. In capital-intensive sectors such as space, access to large-scale financing is still limited. To stay competitive, Europe needs strong capital markets, supportive regulation and the right conditions for scale-ups. Discussions on the European regulatory framework should focus on creating clear and reliable conditions that allow the European space sector to grow and scale. If well designed and effectively implemented, the EU Space Act can play an important role in ensuring fair competition and strengthening Europe's internal market for space services. And with the next multi-annual financial framework and the planned European Competitiveness Fund, Europe has the opportunity to set a clear direction for its space policy and to strengthen our technological leadership. Regions play an important role in this process. They are places where innovation ecosystems grow and where cooperation between industry, research and public institutions take place. This is also why networks such as NEREUS are so valuable. They connect regions across Europe, encourage cooperation and help share best practices. Bavaria strongly believes in this cooperation. We are open to partnerships and look forward to working together to strengthen Europe's space ecosystem. I wish you a successful General Assembly and inspiring discussions. Thank you very much.